Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be painting the winter landscape in tutorial format so you can easily follow along with me, and I will be sharing the tips to paint the mountains quick yet realistic. So don't skip the video guys. And here's the painting setup. If you paint along with me, take a screenshot of this reference image. My goal is not to paint the reference image exactly. I skip few elements here and there and exaggerate the sunset part and paint however I want it to be. You can also paint it in your own way of liking. First, I'm doing the rough sketch of mountains and the cabin. I premix the colors used for the sky so I can paint quick. I'm using medium size flat brush and filbert brush to paint the sky. The sky will be in a blue gradient from dark to light. If you blend the colors while the paint is still wet, you can achieve smooth blending. Now the sky part is done. Let's paint the mountain with white and tiny bit of Prussian blue. Take a damaged or old round brush in small size to paint the textures of the mountain using dry brush technique. For this technique, the brush should be completely dry. Take a tiny bit of paint. If it feels too much, brush off the excess paint in a paper towel and paint. It will give a beautiful texture for the mountains and make it more realistic. Use another small sized round brush to paint the edges and details. For the distant trees, I'm painting with black as a base color. Since it was a sunset painting, the sunlight reflects on the trees. To indicate that, I paint the tree and leaf silhouette with burnt umber to give some depth to the trees. For this tree, paint the branches first and then paint leaves. Paint the tree leaves with dry brush technique and use another round brush to paint tiny details, and repeat the steps to paint the tree quicker. For the snow part, mix white with ultramarine blue and cover the ground. To highlight the tree trunk, paint with ochre and blend it with the black. For the shadow part of snow, mix ultramarine blue, Prussian blue and white. To give some texture to the snow path, paint random lines and shades and highlight few area with white. Let's move on to paint the river. Start with light yellow and continue with orange shade, surrounded with different shades of blue. To achieve the sunset and mountain reflection, blending and glazing technique is a key, or else it will be just a different streaks of paints. To highlight the sunset reflection, finally I am painting some waves in pink shade. For the mountain reflection, I am painting with darker shades of blue and highlighting the water by mixing white with blue. Paint one side of the cabin with warm red. Since the other side of the cabin doesn't get any light source, mix blue with red to make it cool toned. The snow part looks too flat. To give some depth, I'm painting with ultramarine blue for the shadow and highlight few parts of the snow with white. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching till the end. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next one. Until then, bye bye.